Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the rear cover, loosen the 4 screws on the side of the base cover. Remove the remaining 6 screws. Starting from the gap created at the left bottom corner, and pry the cover off of the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the rear cover. Remove the 4 screws on the back of the cover. Remove the 2 screws in the corners of the cover, and slide the cover away from the system. To reinstall the rear cover, slide the rear cover towards the system board till it snaps into place. Replace the 2 screws that secure the rear cover. Tighten the 4 screws on the back of the cover. Plug in the battery cable. Snap the base cover into place. Replace the 6 screws and the 4 captive screws that secure the base cover. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.